Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Lelit Mara X with us in the shop. And I came in for a general tune-up, but while I was testing the machine, I was having issues keeping the machine heated at a consistent temperature. And usually that's this relay here, and a good indication is the little indicator light. If you ever see on the relays that the indicator light is on, but the machine is not heating, that usually means the relay is having a hard time transferring power to the heat element. So we did replace that relay, and it's been working pretty good. And so we're on steam mode right now, just so I can have a consistent steam temp. As you can see, we're on the middle option, so that's around 1.5 bars. The machine wasn't brought with a portafilter, so we're just going to show that the machine's running. But pretty much what we did for the tune-up side is we removed the shower screen and basket, replaced those, cleaned the group head, back flushed the group head E61 valves. On top of that, descaled the machine, removed both the temp probe and the water level probe to clean those and to make sure those are fine. Drain the boiler of its descaler completely from inside the boiler, and now we have a nice in-service machine. So we're going to just quickly run the group head just to show that that's working well. We have the steam, beautiful steam, and then if we were to move to the right side, hot water. And just a quick note, since we did backflush the machine, usually backflushing the machine makes the lever a little bit squeaky, at least for the first few shots. And the reason for that is we are removing all of those oils that coffee leaves inside of your valves. So after a few shots, it should re-lubricate itself back to normal. But that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.